What's all this noise down here? What's all this noise down here? Is it because you've got the hiccups? Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, Miss Wrigley. Hey? Oh dear, still got the hiccups. It's no fun, is it? It's no fun with the hiccups. That's for sure. How are we going to get rid of them, Leah? What are we going to do? What on earth are we going to do? Oh, that's a good idea. Let's try that.